Hey Janet Berry Bobcats, welcome back. I'm here today with Nash and we are going to show you how to make a bucket if you have some supplies at home. So we will be right back. The first thing I did is I found a solo cup. You can use a plastic cup or a paper cup. I then found some old letters stickers that I put Nash's name on it for his bucket. And then I just attached a little wire with some tape on the inside. For my bucket, I had a paper cup and I just used a marker to write my name on it. And I used a handle from a gift bag actually that I cut off, and I just taped that on the inside. So if you want to make buckets at home for you and your family, you can just repurpose the materials that you have in your house. Now that we have our buckets done, Nash and I are ready to start filling buckets. Remember, you can do simple things to help around the house or do something kind for someone else, and when you fill their bucket, you fill your bucket too.